Welcome to Maths A class, my dear students. We are on the topic theory of equations. In the last class, we have discussed about S1, S2, S3 and so on. We worked out some problems basing on S1, S2, S3 and S4. Now let us work out some more. I have given you two problems for homework. I think in the morning, in the morning, one student telephoned me and told that he was unable to get the solutions of those problems. So I want to explain them now in this class, and I want to give you some more problems for homework also. Let us move to the problems which I have given for homework yesterday. The first problem I have given for homework is like this. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation x cube plus px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0, that means for this cubic equation, these are the three roots given. Then find the value of beta square plus gamma square by beta gamma plus gamma square plus alpha square by gamma alpha plus alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. This I want to explain. Actually, I have given this for homework yesterday. Now I want to explain this. Let us find S1 at first. That means sum of the roots. The three roots are alpha, beta, gamma, so you add them. That's why I have put plus signs between them. It is change the sign of x square coefficient. Here the x square coefficient is plus p, change its sign minus p by leading term coefficient is 1. Now minus p by 1 is minus p. S2, that is sum of product of roots taken 2 at a time. This is change the x coefficient without changing the take the x coefficient without changing the sign by a is always 1. S3, this is a product of roots, product of the three roots given, alpha into beta into gamma, that is alpha, beta, gamma. Change the sign of x square constant term, that is minus r by 1. So these are the values of S1, S2, S3. Now let us use them here. Now you take LCM of the denominators. LCM is alpha, beta, gamma. Now when you divide this by this, beta gamma and beta gamma get cancelled. Alpha into the numerator beta square plus gamma square plus here beta will be the quotient into the numerator gamma square plus alpha square plus, if you divide this by this, gamma will remain gamma into alpha square plus beta square. Now this value is available with us. This is nothing but S3, that is minus r. So 1 by minus r, that I want to write in the beginning. This is 1 by minus r. This also can be written as minus 1 by r into alpha into this beta square plus gamma square can be written as beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 beta gamma. Because in the expansion of this you will get plus 2 beta gamma, here minus 2 beta gamma is there, both of them get cancelled. Ultimately beta square plus gamma square will remain here. Similarly plus beta into this can be written as gamma plus alpha whole square minus 2 gamma alpha plus gamma into this can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Here I want to convert this in terms of these three. So I have written like this, minus 1 by r into, now expand this, alpha into this, alpha into this, that means alpha into beta plus gamma whole square. Here plus beta into this, beta into gamma plus alpha whole square plus gamma into alpha plus beta whole square. I have multiplied the first term with this with the term outside the brackets. Now I have to multiply the second term also. If you multiply alpha with this, you will get minus 2 alpha beta. Here also you will get minus 2 alpha beta. Here also you will get minus 2 alpha beta. In total minus 6 alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma. Here also alpha beta gamma. Here also alpha beta gamma. So minus 6 alpha beta gamma. Now this is minus 1 by r into alpha into beta plus gamma. From S1 from this, what is beta plus gamma? Minus p minus alpha, because when alpha is shifted to this side it will become minus alpha. So beta plus gamma is minus p minus alpha whole square plus beta into, what is gamma plus alpha? That is minus p minus beta whole square plus gamma into, what is alpha plus beta? Minus p minus gamma whole square minus alpha beta gamma is available with us, minus r. Minus 6 into minus r is plus 6r. Is it okay? Now this is minus 1 by r into, we can take minus common here. When you take minus common, p plus alpha will remain here, and when minus, which is taken common, when minus sign is squared, it will become plus. So alpha into p plus alpha whole square, here also beta into p plus beta whole square plus gamma into p plus gamma whole square. Because here also I have taken minus sign common, when minus is taken common, minus of p plus gamma will remain. When this is squared, minus will become plus. Ultimately p plus gamma whole square will remain like this. Now the last term is plus 6r. Write it as it is. Now let us simplify this. Minus 1 by r into alpha into, you expand this, p square plus alpha square plus 2p alpha, just like the expansion of a plus b whole square. Here also plus beta into p square plus beta square plus 2p beta. Here gamma into p square plus gamma square plus 2p gamma plus 6r. So this is minus 1 by r into, here p square alpha, here the first term is p square beta, here it is p square gamma. From the first terms we can take out p square common. Alpha plus beta plus gamma will remain. Here alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is minus p. So by multiplying the first terms, we have got this. Now multiply the third terms or second terms. What is the product of second terms? Alpha into alpha square, that is alpha cube, plus beta into beta square, beta cube, plus gamma into gamma square, gamma cube. Now multiply the third term, 2p alpha square plus, this is the third term, 2p beta square, here 2p gamma square. From them I want to take 2p common. Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square will remain, plus 6r. I think you are following it. Now this is minus 1 by r into, this is minus p cube when you multiply. This is of the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Actually all of you know this formula. Here this is nothing but using algebraic formula, a cube plus b cube minus 3abc. The factors for this polynomial are a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is the formula for this. So this can also be written as a plus b plus c into, this is a plus b plus c whole square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. A plus b plus c whole square, sorry. A plus b plus c whole square minus 2a. Here actually we get plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, but they are not seen here. So minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca I have to write here. Again minus ab minus bc minus ca are there. Here I have to write minus 2ab. One more minus ab is there. So minus 3ab minus 3bc minus 3ca. Take out minus 3 common from them. So ab plus bc plus ca. But in the place of a, b, c we are having alpha plus beta plus gamma here. So what is formula for a cube plus b cube plus c cube according to this? A plus b plus c into a plus b plus c whole square minus 3 into ab plus bc plus ca. I want to transfer this minus 3abc to the right side plus 3abc. This formula is to be remembered. this formula I am going to use here. So in place of ABC we are having alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is alpha plus beta plus gamma? Minus p. So this is plus of minus p into, this is minus p whole square, that is p square, minus 3 into, this is AB plus BC plus CA, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha cube. So all this will become this according to this formula. Plus 3ABC I forgot. So plus 3 into ABC is alpha beta gamma, that is minus R. So plus 3 into minus R is minus 3R. So instead of all this I can write this. Plus 2p into, this already I have explained, a square plus b square plus c square. A square plus b square plus c square is a plus b plus c whole square, minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. So alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square is minus p whole square, that is p square, minus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is q. So p square minus 2q, this is the value of this, plus 6r, write it as it is. So on simplifying this, you will get the final answer. So the final answer is minus 1 by r into, here on expanding this, you will get minus p cube, that is minus 2p cube. But if you multiply these two, you will get plus 2p cube. So minus 2p cube and plus 2p cube, they get cancelled. Now multiply these two. Minus into minus plus 3p cube. So plus 3p cube I am writing here. Minus 3r plus 6r is plus 3r. Here if you multiply these two, you will get minus 4p cube. So this is minus 1 by r into 3r. 3p cube minus 4p cube is minus p cube. If you multiply with minus sign, then p cube has to be written at first. So this will be 1 by r into p cube minus 3r. Or simply if you multiply with this 1 by r, you will get p cube by r as the first term. And the second term is r and r get cancelled. If you multiply 1 by r with this, 3 will remain. So p cube by r minus 3, this will be the answer for this. Here, remembering this formula is very important. Remembering this formula is very important. This is the problem I have given for homework yesterday. So this is a lengthy problem. Anyhow, if you are familiar with algebraic formula, this formula and formula for alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. What is formula for this? A square plus b square plus c square is a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. If you know these two formulae, you can solve this problem easily. Anyhow, this is a lengthy problem, but you must know these algebraic formulae. Now let us move to another problem which I have given for homework. Now the second problem is like this. This is also I have given for homework. For the same equation, x cube plus px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. We are given that alpha, beta, gamma are the roots. Then find the value of beta plus gamma minus 3 alpha into gamma plus alpha minus 3 beta into alpha plus beta minus 3 gamma. What is the value of this if these three are the roots of this cubic equation? Let us find sum of the roots. S1, it is minus p as in the earlier case. Now S2, there is sum of product of roots taken 2 at a time. This is just a cube. Now the product of roots S3, that is change its sign, minus r. Using these three values, you have to find the value of this. What is beta plus gamma from this? Minus p minus alpha. So from this, beta plus gamma is minus p minus alpha. So here in place of beta plus gamma, I am going to write minus p minus alpha. Write this minus 3 alpha as it is. Similarly, what is gamma plus alpha? Gamma plus alpha is minus p minus beta minus 3 beta into what is alpha plus beta? Minus p minus gamma. Write this minus 3 gamma as it is. So this is minus p into minus 4 alpha, because minus alpha minus 3 alpha is minus 4 alpha. This. Now from these three we can take out minus common. Here if you take minus common, it will become p plus 4 alpha. Here if you take minus common, here p plus 4 beta. Here if you take minus common, you will get p plus 4 gamma. So three minuses are taken common here. Minus into minus into minus, that is minus again. So naturally that minus sign will come here. Now multiply these three and use these values. These are the values given to us, known to us. Using these values you can find this value easily. Now minus of, first you multiply them. P into p, p square plus, when you multiply 4 alpha with p, you will get 4 alpha p. Here 4 beta p. So take 4p common, alpha plus beta. If you multiply these two, 4 4s are 16 alpha beta. This is the product of terms given within the first two brackets into p plus 4 gamma. Now multiply this with this, minus of p square into p, p cube. Here if you multiply this with p, 4p into p, 4p square into alpha plus beta. If you multiply this with this, you will get 4p square gamma. So 4p square alpha plus beta plus 4p square gamma. From these we can take out 4p square common, alpha plus beta plus gamma. I think you are following. Now we multiplied this with this and this also with this. Now you multiply this with this, 16p alpha beta. Now multiply this with this, it is already over. Multiplication of this and this is also over. Multiplication of this and this is also over. The product of these two is this. Now multiply with this, multiply this with this. Again 4 4s are 16 p alpha gamma plus beta gamma. So 16 alpha gamma plus beta gamma. Now the final term is 16 4s are 64 alpha beta into gamma, that is alpha beta gamma. This is just algebraic multiplication, simple one. So p cube plus 4p square, this value is available with us, it is minus p. Here from these two terms we can take out 16p common, plus 16p into, what will come within brackets? What will remain within brackets? Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma, that is nothing but S2 Q. This alpha beta gamma is available with us, minus r, so minus 64r, minus 64r. So the final answer will be minus of, this is minus 4 cube p cube, p cube minus 4p cube is minus 3p cube plus 16p cube minus 64r. If you multiply with this minus sign, the final answer will be 3p cube minus 16p cube minus into minus plus 64r. This will be the final answer for this. So just using algebraic formula is essential. With this I want to conclude this class. I want to give some more problems for homework. Basing on the algebraic identities, you have to work out them. You try them at home leisurely. If you are unable to get, I will explain them in the next class. Thank you all.